Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to sign up for the Strava app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Strava app. And here, if we open it up for the first time, it's going to open up like this. And then we can either tap on join for free or log in. Let's tap on join for free. Here we can add our email address, just like this. You can type it in, then our password, and then tap on sign up. Or we can just tap on continue with Google, and tap on agree to terms, select our email address, and after the app is loaded, it should just continue like this. Then we can just fill out these things, and we're pretty much done. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.